Hello, in this video we are going to create what's called an entry widget, which allows the user to type something into their program. Now the entry widget right now isn't going to do anything, it's just simply going to exist. We just want to get it set up. This is an entry widget. Oops, widget, there we go. Okay, so to do this, first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our main window. So we're going to import Tkinter as tk, root equals tk root.main loop. There we go. And if I run this, I should get my window. Perfect. Root.title is, we're going to call this entry widget, or let's call it GUI entry. And let's run this again. There it is, GUI entry. So we're going to place the entry information here. So to do this, we're going to say entry1 equals tk dot, and there is something called an entry. And all we have to do with this is just associate the main window we're going to put it. And so again, we've now created that entry widget as a variable, and then we say entry1.pack. And I run this, and there's your entry widget. Hello. Doesn't do anything. But that's all you have to do to put that entry widget in there. I hope that helped.